Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. In this video I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for January. I know I'm a little late, but better late than never. So if you are interested in watching, keep watching and let's do this. Let's unbox and see what we got. Alright, y'all ready? So I think this is my base box. It's pretty heavy. And this is my premium box. So, alright, so let's get started. Let's see which one's which. First, I'm going to start with this heavy boy right here. Let's see what we got up in there. Let me open it up. Don't know what we got. Let me get some sizzles. I hope everyone is doing well. I feel like, you know, this pandemic has brought a new level to Netflix and chill to me, because I'm like on that another level with it. Like I am like Netflix and chill. Netflix and chill. Alright, so this is a fresh start. Boxycharm Fresh Start. That is the name of the version. This one says it's Boxy C210113BA. So that is my version for this month. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so this is my base box because it has 5 beauty products in it. So the first thing that I pick up, I'm so excited. I love their formula. This is the Violet Voss I Love You Forever eyeshadow palette. So exciting. I love the Violet Voss's formula. It says, I love you forever eyeshadow palette. This palette was designed with universally flattering olives and used that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas for creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. Achieve endless eyeshadow looks from a modern, soft, sultry to a seductive olive smoky eye that will have them green with envy. The MSRP for this item is $34. So I am so excited. Let's see. I have to see these eyeshadows. I have to see these shades. Oh, I'm so excited. So the packaging is cardboard, nice, hard. You get a large mirror. Oh, look at these shades and the shimmers in this palette. Yes. So that is the shades and the shimmers. I can't wait to do an eye look with this palette. So pretty. All right, so the next item that I pick up is going to be from Pharmacy. Oh, I love Pharmacy. Their melt makeup remover is my ride or die. I love it. This is a Pharmacy Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizer with moringa and papaya. It says Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizing and oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. So the MSRP for this item is $38. So I will be using this. I love the Pharmacy's line. Well, my skin loves the Pharmacy line. Let's see what it looks like. It comes in a glass bottle. Very nice, very nice. Let's see if it smells like the, yeah, it smells like eucalyptus. I don't know what's in here. Can't wait to try it though. So that was that item. So the next item I pick up is going to be from Queen. QVEEN Studio Dragon Duo. I haven't heard of this brand before. I don't think I've tried anything from them. Modern day Boss Babe approved with an inky black pigmentation and a semi-waterproof formula. Choose your look using the Dragon Duo. Use Dragon Liner Liquid for smudge-proof symmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner Pencil for a softer look or smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by pros. The MSRP for this item is $28. So I'm guessing it is a liquid liner duo with a pencil liner. Yes. So, oh, the packaging is super pretty. We'll have to see how that stays. And then this is the liquid liner. It's so pretty, the packaging. So those are the lines on there. I'll have to give them a full wear test to see how they work. Let's see. So the next item I pick up is from Seraphine Botanicals. This one is Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. The boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils that work synergistically to keep lips chapped-free, smooth, and plump all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. The MSRP for this item is $25. I can't wait to try it. I have so many lip balms and lip oils. I just love all that. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's sealed. Let's see. Ooh, yeah. It smells like apples. I can't wait to try it. Especially in the winter time. Yes, definitely could use that. All right, so the last item I pick up is from Avance. I think I'm saying that right. Advanced Skincare Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. It's infused with replenishing ingredients. Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. So the MSRP for this item is $90 for this micellar water. So I usually don't use micellar water to take my makeup off. I prefer a balm, and the pharmacy balm, it doesn't sting my eyes or anything, and it takes everything off. So I will try this for that. I do use a micellar water for cleanups or something like that, but I will try this and let y'all know how it works. It's a pretty hefty price tag. Let's add up this base box and see what we get. We have the Violet Voss I Love You Forever eyeshadow palette, which was $34. Then we have the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil Free Gel Moisturizer. That one is $38. And then the Advanced Skincare Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water, which is $90. And then Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask, which was $25. And then the Queen Studio Dragon Duo is $28. So we have a total estimated value of this base box is $215. Okay, let's start. It's $215 for the base box. So that's super exciting. That is definitely a lot more than you pay for it, since it's only $25. But let's get on to the premium box and see what we got. All right, so this is the premium box. Let's see what we got up in this bad boy. Let's open her up. So this is the premium. So it's the same thing. It's the Fresh Start by Boxy. The variation is C2101209 PM. So that is the variation. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this box. So let's get started and see what we got. So the first thing I pick up, this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, their full frontal mascara. I have this mascara. I really like it. It's nice. This one is Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara, designed to deliver Rihanna's full lash look. Full Frontal's lightweight ultra black formula was specifically paired with an exclusive flat to fat brush. The fat side holds max product to quickly load and lift lashes. The flat side defines and curls. The MSRP for this item is $24. It is a nice mascara. I could say that because I have tried it. So let's see. The next item I pick up is from Summer Fridays. It says Jet Lag Mask. This is Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Life's turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in flight saver, this multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. The MSRP for this item is $48. So I am super excited to try this mask. I love new masks. That's what it looks like. All right, on to the next item. We have another item from Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This one is in the shade Banana. I have tried this also. It's a good setting powder. This one says Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. Rihanna was obsessed with creating a setting powder that wouldn't flash back. So Pro Filter was born in 8 versatile shades to melt into your unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without a trace. It works all day to blur the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections. The MSRP for this item is $32. So the next item that I pick up is this one. It is from PMD Beauty. This says Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. Get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. MSRP for this item is $30. $30 for a makeup removing cloth. But I do use makeup removing cloths. I use reusable ones, but $30. Look how little that is. I mean, I don't know. $30? If you say so. Alright, so the next item that I pick up is from Laura Mercier, which I love Laura Mercier. A lot of her products. I love her translucent setting powder. Is one of my favorites. This is Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipstick, the ultimate statement-making lipstick, weightless, high-impact, long-lasting color with a satin finish. The MSRP for this item is $32. It's a really nice packaging. It's really hard. Let's see what this color looks like. Oh, yes, that is all me all day. Love my reds. So that's what that one looks like. Excited to try it. All right, so for the last item in this box is this one from Ofra. This is Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. Manifest good to glow looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals. Featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighter, All of the Lights, this lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. The MSRP for this item is $39, and we all know that that Ofra makes really nice highlighters. They are known for their highlighters. So these shades are absolutely gorgeous. So excited to try these. So that's it for the premium box. Let's see what we got. Let's add it up and see. Let's see. We got the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, which was 48. Then we got the Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette, which is 39. Then you got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, which was 32. Then we got the Laura Mercier Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipstick, which was 32. Then we get the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift Curl Mascara, which is 24. And then the PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth, which was $30. So that one is, the estimated MSRP for this box is $205. It's less than my base box. But I like all the items. I can't wait to try some of them. Some of them I have already tried before, so I could gift some. So this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know below if you have any questions. Let's chat. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this girl's channel. Show her some love. All right, guys. Until next time, y'all stay blessed.